my dear friends, for giving me one of the golden opportunities to explain about this one of the best place of this far western part of our country, Nepal. This is whatever we have regarded it to be the Badi Malika temple. Devi Badi Malika has taken the place of a greatest value in the heart of all Hindus all over the world. It has got a great value, not only from the religious point of view, but also from the historical, ecological, environmental, and tourism point of view. It has got a great value. Geographically, the place is located
religiously,
especially geographically, this place is located at the 4,212 or 14 meter at the height, and it is the place which is covered with the snow throughout the 9 months of the year. Only 3 months are very suitable for people to visit over there, especially the month of Shravan, Vadra, and some part of Asar and some part of Ashwin, especially from July, August, June some part, and September some part. Only that time is applicable for the people to come over there, especially the people who want to have a courageous journey and want to go on a trekking. They can come over there, and this place, it has got very remarkable and melodious places which are very beautiful, snow-capped throughout the 9 months of the year, and the rest of the time all the Rocky Mountains are covered with green grass and different types of 1,000 types of flowers flowering over there, and all the places without any tree. The lands are naked, especially only grass is over there. And then the people near about this area, they go to graze their cattle, especially the sheep, horses, and some buffaloes at all. So these places are used for that one. And religiously, the people who want to ask for their desire, who want to fulfill their desires, they can come here. It is said that the people who want to ask anything from their heart, core of their heart, they get this thing from after getting the chance of doing puja over this in this temple. This is so Badi Malika has taken a great value. It has been put over there in Puranas also, Vedas also. It has been explained over there as Pujari said. And then only once in a year, their religious tourism is only once a year. This is today and yesterday and no tomorrow. So only 2 days. On Janai Purnima we call, especially on before the eve of Janai Purnima, people come over there. Geographically the place is very suitable, but it is not cultivated. Only the people who want to trek, who want to have their courageous journey, they can come over there. It's a natural beauty, it's a panorama, cannot be explained in the words. It's beyond explanation. One needs to come here and enjoy it. The people from all over the world can come over there. There is the road facility up to Bajura, headquarter Martadi. People can come up to there within their own vehicles, and from there now they have to trek on their own foot. Guides are available over here. They can take their guides over there. People can come with their some especially 1-2 types of tents over there, sleeping bags, woolen type of clothes, and raincoats, etc. That type of things are needed. And no hotels are there on the way. Only on the Mela period, people can get some food items from the people. Otherwise, they have to take their goods by themselves.
Each and everything they have to bring themselves.
Everything from sole to crown, whatever is needed, it is especially Himalayan range.
And India, it's very high altitude also.
High altitude, and altitude sickness is there. It's also a problem.
So they have to bring
before
medicine.
Before coming here, one needs to have undergo with its some physical training. The people who are physically well, they can easily come over there. It's not risky. It's courageous and it's melodious. It's one of the enthusiastic people get everything over here. Beyond explanation, the word I want to repeat it, beyond explanation. Would like to request the people to come here and enjoy its nature and then go back, and then it is one of the most important tourist place. And business point of view also, there are different types of medicinal herbs available here. Although no medicinal herbs are, some of them are only noted and some of them are only recognized. Most of the medicinal herbs are yet to be waiting for the people to come here and do the study and get their information on this study. It is waiting for the people. And then I would like to request the people who want to go to this type of remote areas and have the investigation and then try to find out it's a medicinal point of view, business point of view, and religious point of view, social point of view, tourism point of view, and this climate and natural point of view. This is the heaven in the world. I want to explain this one. Please come to this heaven and enjoy. Be the God yourself. This is my request. Thank you.
I'm so much impressed by your speech. Thank you very much for giving your very sweet, very important words for the whole Barimalika region. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And I think you forgot to tell your name. I think, can you explain? Can you tell me your name? Please?
I'm Dharmadev Naunial from Godavari Municipality,
and can you please explain your profession?
I'm a teacher. Professionally, I'm a teacher, and I have got some 5 friends over here.
Yes.
I can not alone. I have come with 5 friends. One you yourself, and 4 other friends are there. They are also teachers, and some of them are journalists. We have come here. This is our first experience. We have heard about Barimalika. We listened it in our houses. My father also has visited this place twice in his career, and this is my first visit. I'm proud of being a person and being in this spot here. It's all because of the wish of Ganesh Barimalika.
Thank you.
And wish you all the best.
Thank you.
And
thank you. Thank you very much.
I hope that
Thank you.
Barimalika would be helping to each and every person of the world. This is not only for Hindus. This Barimalika will be blessing for overall humanity in the world. Overall humanity.
Okay.
Overall humanity. Everyone can come over here except doing puja. Other people can enjoy. Even Muslims, even Christians, many more religious people are there in the world. Everyone can come except doing puja. Puja doing is only for Hindu people. Other scenario, other panorama enjoying is everybody's job, and they can come over here. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Jai Barimalika. Mata.
Jai.
Thank you very much. Thank you.